how to make bricks in Minecraft. So this will basically work on all versions of Minecraft, be it Java or Bedrock. So first, just get some clay block, and if you want to get some clay block, go get a shovel and go to any water source right here. So let's say here on the lake. And if you go here, this should, or the clay should look like this, and you simply get it with a shovel so that you could basically loot it. So if I go to survival right here, so I'm just going to switch to survival so that I could show you that you could basically get it. And now when I use a shovel for it, as you can see, I can now get some clay just like that. And now if you want to get the brick, just go to a furnace, open it up, and put the clay right there. As you can see, it will smelt. And once it's done smelting, it will become a brick right here. So as you can see, you just wait for it. And now you have your brick. And that's how you basically get or craft a brick in Minecraft.